Hey, welcome back to the weekly dance tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to do some more tutting transitions, okay? And this is going to have to do with going from inside tuts to the outside tuts, okay? We probably covered some of this before in the past, but I'm just going to show you a couple of different ways that you could do it other than just sliding and bringing it out or rotating it, turning it. Okay, those are just the basics, but here's some ways that you can do it where it's a little more interesting. Okay, so let's say you're starting here and you're doing a bunch of inside grid tuts like this, boom, boom, boom. How can you make it interesting to go out here? So there's one way right there. So from this inside box, go to the outside box, and you're pretty much already out there. All that was is just like a flip. Okay, I'm flipping it over like that. That's one way. Okay, so let's say you're doing it again. How do I get out here? You can go boom, bring it around, bam, bam. You see that? From here, all I did was I did a trace, but I rotate it completely out. Boom, boom. And this is kind of like a really big transition right here. All I'm doing is going like this. It's kind of like this, but with your hands straight. Okay, so here, boom, 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 around. And notice as I went out, I kind of twisted this part too, just to keep it symmetrical. Boom, boom. Because let's say I go here, I don't like it. Okay, fine, I'll go back. Boom, boom. But this helps you kind of tell the story a little bit. See, bam. And now we're out here. But let's say you're out here, boom, you could connect it and go back into the inside. See that? So here, boom, boom. So you're doing the outside tuts, boom, 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 and then boom. Now we're back inside, boom, boom, boom. This right here and this is all I did, here to here, boom, boom. See that? Here, 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 go out, boom, bring it back. Now we're back here. One more time, here, 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 boom. All I did was slide it and then bring it back. Okay, so that's another one. So this, you can do it on this side as well. Here's another one right here, boom, boom, and then you could push like that one more time. So you're here, right? You went here, you go here, 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 and then take this and push it, boom. Okay, one more time, boom, like that. Okay, this is gonna be hard at first because it's a really awkward angle, but try your best to keep it straight. So here, right, make sure it's straight, straight, push, boom. One more time, push. Okay, like that, push, and then from here you could slide, bring it out, here, 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 bring it here, and then bring it to the front, here, here, boom, boom. All right, that's just another transition right there. Another really fun one that's pretty classic is, let's say you're in the middle, right? Everyone goes to the middle at some point, right? Like you do this little twirly thing. You could actually bring this here, here, go up, boom, boom, here, here, do whatever, right? But as soon as you hit like one of these angles, you could open it, boom, 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 boom. Here, here, open it, bring it back, boom, boom. Okay, or you can try a different one. Go here, open it forward, go this way. Here, boom, boom, like that. See how I went forward? And all I'm doing with my feet is I'm just stepping forward. Okay, so here, 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 boom, boom, pop out like that. Here. Or you can go here, turn, here, boom, up, forward. That's another variation of that, because now you're taking this, instead of going here straight there, you're turning it to show them a different angle. Boom, 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 and we're back. Okay, so one more time. Here, 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 go up, turn it. You could turn it to here and then open it, bam, now we're out here. Do whatever out here, out here, out here. And let's say you end up down here somehow, you could always just go here, 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 right? And then down, close it, bring it up, boom, boom. All right, so all of this stuff, you could also go in and in, up, right? And then whatever. So the lower tuts is a little more, what do you call it? The lower tuts, there's different ways to do it, but I usually just push and go in back to the bottom grid, or from the bottom ones, you could just go like this and then just bring it in like that. Boom, bring it in. Here, bring it in. And then back, and then here, and then here, and then we're out here again. See? It all connects. Here, 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 we're out here. Boom, 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 boom. Hey, 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 hey. Okay? So all of this is really just more rotations, but it's bigger, right? There's bigger ones going like this. These are big sweeps, right? This right here. Boom, very big sweep. Boom, boom. Okay? Try to think of different ways to do like this shape, the half circle shape, because this going to here, it's just if I did it this way, this is what I'm doing. See, I'm just swinging it like that. Okay, and then same thing with this. Boom, boom. If you go this way, like let's say we're here and then I did a tut, I can go boom, boom, boom. See, that's a big transition like that. I'm just making an arch, right? Same thing, half circles, half circle, boom, 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 here. Okay, so that's just some ideas, and these are just big rotations, but you can obviously do big slides as well, big or small, because normally we would just take it step by step, right? And then go here and then here, right? Then here and then back. But you can also just go here, 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 and add extra steps along the way as well. Boom, 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 instead of going just here, here. You know what I mean? So try to find different paths to get to point A, from point A to point B. Okay, point B being out here, big tuts. Okay, and you're going from small to big. So small to big. All right, there's a little bit more tutting transitions for you. This was a request by Mitchell, so thanks for requesting. All right, I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Peace.